Good morning from Ko Yao Yai. Yep, I've come to an island about 40 minutes speedboat off of the Phuket coastline. Came there yesterday afternoon. You may have seen a little bit of video already of some exploring yesterday evening to go out and here somewhere. There's a spit of sand beach that goes out towards the other island, which this is sort of a twin islands, Ko Yao something like another Ko Yao, but this is Ko Yao Yai, it's Ko Yao Nai or something like something like that. Can't remember. not important. So yeah, so I'm here for 3 nights, quiet weekend away. Bizarrely, the little resort that I'm staying at, which is behind you, is called Beachfront, and it is very much on the beachfront. You might have seen a little bit of video of that already. This weekend I am the only guest, and when we came over on the ferry, we went over to the other island first. Quite a few people got off there, came over to here, and I was the only person that got off. But yeah, so I was going to be here for a couple of days, then back to Phuket. I'll be hiring a scooter there for a couple of days again. Got some things on coming up, and then we're off to Pattaya for a week for another walking running event, and then it's Hong Kong. Looking forward to that. And thank you very much for everybody that's been viewing my last video, the video from the motorsport in Bangsian. Has got, I think, almost 8,000 views already. Amazing. And the subscribers are going up. We're over the 800. And if you are enjoying this, please subscribe if you haven't already done. I don't know, this video might almost end here if it just starts raining and rains for the rest of the weekend. But as you can see, we do have a bit of sunshine at the moment. We just pan around and you can see the resort that I'm staying at. It's quite rustic, but I enjoy it and it's pretty cheap. Okay, check you later.